Today we will learn action verb. Action verbs are super cool. They make you dance and jump in school. Wiggle your nose, hop like a frog, or run like a puppy chasing a lock. I am running. I am walking. I am jumping. I am crawling. I am reading. I am writing. I am skating. I am singing. I am dancing. I am swimming. I am sliding. I am fishing. I am thinking. I am giggling. I am laughing. I am crying. I am smiling. I am smoking. I am fighting. I am pushing. I am pulling. I am throwing. I am working. I am cooking. I love it. I am shopping. I am waiting. I am smelling. I am eating. I am drinking. I am feeding. I am washing. I am cleaning. I am vacuuming. I am sweeping. I am mopping. I am folding. I am shrugging. I am sneezing. I am spitting. I am screaming. I am touching. I am seeing. I am kicking. I am lifting. I am carrying. I am bending. I am waving. I am coughing. I am shivering. I am pouting. I am shouting. I am sucking. I am listening. I am speaking. I am whispering. I am hauling. I am washing hands. I am burping. I am catching. I am spinning. I am bowing. I am pointing. I am clapping. I am rubbing. I am shaking our head. I am squeezing. I am drinking. I am kissing. I am hugging. I am swinging. I am driving. I am cycling. I am playing. I am sleeping. I am snoring. I am flying. I am riding. I am breathing. I am shopping. Hooray! I am playing football. I am skateboarding. I am going to school. I am eating ice cream. Yum yum. I am playing in the rain. I am watching stars. I am playing with my toy car. I am playing with kite. I am blowing a whistle. I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my hair.
Hi kids, I am your friend Honey Bunny. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel.